Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix this problem of this experience is unavailable in Roblox because its starting place is unpublished. So if you're also facing this problem, then follow the step. First thing, you want to go to roblox.com, which is the official website of Roblox, and log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, it'll take you to this page. From over here, you want to click on where it says create. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this place, and all the world which you have created until now is going to be shown. So I've created only 2 worlds, that's why it's only showing me 2, but doesn't matter. So I'm facing a problem in this world in Roblox. It does not open up. Whenever I try to do something, it says like this world is unavailable due to it not being published to Roblox. So the simplest way to fix this is first hover your mouse on top of it and click on Edit in Studio. Once you click on Edit in Studio, it's going to ask you for the permission to open Roblox Studio. And make sure you have downloaded and installed Roblox Studio on your laptop or PC, because if you haven't, this is not going to work. So click on Open Roblox Studio and a Roblox Studio will open up just like this. Now this is the world which I selected, that's why it opened up this world. Now if I want to fix this issue, I can click on File at the top left of the screen and just click on Publish to Roblox. Once I click on Publish to Roblox, my problem should be fixed. Now next time I can just go do whatever I want with this world, it's not going to say anything. That's how we guys can fix this issue. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.